Jai Guru to all my students. Today we discuss about chapter unit 2, that is chapter 5, plants, parts and their functions. Okay, already we have shared that PDF to you, and I think you have to be written on your copies. Just open your copies and see the picture, and you understand it, make it well if you write down that picture on your copy. Then first we go to nature. You know that creators create the creature, and that creature, that is natural and it is nature, and the nature is the combination of flora and fauna. Flora means plants and fauna means animals, all the animals that comes under fauna and all the plants that comes under flora. Then in this chapter particularly we know about the flora, that means in the first part, that is flora system. Plants generally divided into two categories: root system and another one is shoot system. Root system below the soil, below below the soil, that means that under the soil. Then this is shoot system above the soil. Then next, that root system, generally two types of roots are there: taproot, and next one is fibrous roots. Taproot and fibrous roots. Taproot generally we see in that trees, that is radish, carrot and turnip. And in fibrous root we generally know about, that is we generally found, that is rice, grass, wheat, etc. Then when we discuss about shoot system, then we found that shoot system basically above the soil. Above the soil means there is that combination of, that consists of different things: stem, leaf, bud, flower, fruit and seed. You know all the things except that bud. Bud means the primary stage of a flower. Before blooming a flower, first stage that comes, that is known as bud. Stem, branches, as your language, that is branches. Stem, and the main part of the stem, it is known as trunk. The main part of the stem is known as trunk. Okay, we know and study the basic concept of plant, then we go to know about by the different pictures. Okay, this is divided, that tree divided, that plant divided into root system and shoot system. Root system, roots below the soil, and shoot system above the part, the above part, that is known as shoot system, and below part, that is, this is the layer of the soil, and below the soil, that is root system, and above the soil, that is known as shoot system. Okay, then we go next picture. Let us know, we know about different parts of flower, different parts of plant. Okay, this is the shoot system part, and this is the shoot system, and this is known as root system part. Okay, root system, there are two type of roots are there: primary roots and another one is secondary roots. It is also known as lateral roots. This one is lateral roots, and this one is primary roots, that starts from, that root starts from here, and the main root, that is known as primary root, and hence secondary root. And next one is when we discuss about the shoot system, that is there is flower, fruit, stem, also leaf, and this is node. That means when where the leaves start from the branch. Okay, although that is connect with the branch, that part is known as node. And the distance between one node to another node, that is known as internode. Okay, next one is bud means we already discussed that bud. Before blooming a flower, we first get the bud. Now we make it very specific and be clear to see that picture. Lateral roots. Okay, on that picture that is not available, but in that picture lateral roots, this is known as lateral roots, and this is primary root, starts from primary root. This is all about the root system and primary root, and generally that is root hairs, and something is there. You have to be read that things in your higher classes. Root hairs, another known as root cap. Okay, then also that seed, you see that seeds is here inside the fruit, and another one is flower, leaf, and yes, this is bud. Okay, and all other things that you know, okay, in the higher classes. Okay, then we go forward. Next slide.